What's up guys, it's the Alyssa Morrison, back again. It's been a while, but I'm back with my new BFF. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. This is Rocco, and I am here today to show you how I did this super simple glowy skin makeup tutorial. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more from me, and yeah, let's get into it. My dark circles are like a whole new shade of purple that I've never seen before, so I just rinsed my face off. I don't usually cleanse my face in the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Art Naturals Vitamin C Serum, and I have been obsessed with this lately. So I just do like 3 drops on my face. Bring it down the neck. Vitamin C works as an antioxidant to protect your skin against pollution and free radicals, which can cause premature aging and skin cancer. So vitamin C is usually something that I use every single morning, not necessarily in the nighttime, but like every morning. This is the SkinCeuticals Daily Moisturizer, and I really like this one because it actually has a little bit of a sheen to it. Like, I wouldn't necessarily say shimmer, but it gives the skin like a really pretty glow. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Since I'm focusing so much on the skin today, I really want to make sure that my base is really glowy and dewy. I'm going to go in with the Rosehip Triple C Plus E Firming Oil from Eminence, and I'm just seriously going to take less than 2 drops. So like 1, and then just like a little baby drop there. Rub it between my fingers to warm up the oil, and then just kind of press it in the high points. A little bit on my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, just anywhere that you would normally put like a highlighter. I just like to add a little bit extra glow there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my sunscreen. This is just the Neutrogena Clear Skin SPF 55. It's almost gone. You always want to make sure that you finish off your sunscreen on your hands, because that is definitely an area of aging where people kind of forget to take care of their skin there, and hands show your age really quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to move into eyebrows. So I've been keeping my eyebrow routine super simple lately, just brushing them up. And then just using this Tarte Double Duty Busy Gal Brows. It's just like a little tiny brow brush. And I've just kind of been running that through really lightly. Just kind of trying to like flick it upwards. My eyebrows are also really long. I should definitely trim them, but you know. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyes. I'm just gonna use an eyelash curler and my all-time favorite mascara, which is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. It's the purple one. I can't even tell you how pale I look in this lighting. I promise that, I mean, I know I'm really pale, but it's not this crazy in real life. I'm just like right pressed up against a window. I think that's why. Hello? My body is a little bit darker than my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a bronzer that is a lot darker than my complexion is now. This is the Dark Chocolate Matte Bronzer by Too Faced. It smells like chocolate. It smells like freaking cupcakes. Like, it's my favorite product by far, specifically for the smell. No, the color is phenomenal. I feel like I can get away with this without, I mean, even though my skin is so pale, I can still get away with the darkest shade. It just blends really, really nicely. So I'm just really generously putting that in, like, the hollows of my cheekbones. A little bit on my nose, up to my hairline. Just trying to warm up my face, not necessarily do like a sculpted contour or anything, just warm up my complexion. Okay, then I'm just gonna make sure that my eyebrows are brushed up again. Perfect. So I'm gonna make sure that I bring the bronzer down my neck and chest a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with Benefit's Dallas blush. I love this blush so much. It's just like a rosy, no, not really rosy, like a dusty rose with like gold, I wanna say. I go kind of crazy with the blush. Okay. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of Aquaphor on my lips, just for a little bit of moisture and shine. I'm going to go in with one more coat of mascara. I take this Glossier Balm.com. It has like eyebrow dye stains all over it, but I just like to take the tiniest amount of this. Oops, I have mascara all over my fingers, and just rub it in between my fingers, warm it up, and then just press it on like the high points of my cheeks for like a really natural glow. A little bit on my nose, Cupid's bow, even like a little bit going up the forehead. And it just gives like a really subtle, natural highlight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.